Hi, Hershey. What are you doing in there? And Shake. And Chester. And Bake. And Holly. Where's Zeus? Zeus! Hi, everybody. These are our goats. And most of the twins have really funky names. Like this is Shake and that's Bake. Of the Talladega Nights. And there's Abby. And I don't know where Zeus is. But these are our goats and they're really nice. They were bottle fed, so they're a little bit crazy, but they're cute.